Last spin. Come on, save it. Give me, thank you. Kept me in the game, baby. Ooh, I only need one to get to the top. Give it to me.
To
Come
join
on.
us.
Anything, anywhere, get
It's
in
Slots and Things. Mark and Nina. It's Slots and Things.
10 cents, $5. Drop that green. Come on. Y'all can see.
Give me the game, coach.
Come on, pop, anything anyway.
Alright, y'all. Back at it. Pound limit, $5. Let's go. Come on, none of those. Pop in there. Hop in there. Come on. Keep me in the game, coach. All right. Do a couple backups. Alright, y'all. If I get anything else, I'll be back. Peace.
Alright, y'all. I'm back in the bonus. I don't know how I triggered it. I just triggered it. So let's see what we get. I'm still on 75 cents. Let's go. I hope y'all can hear it. There we go. All right, come on, let's re-trigger. Come on. Land, yes. Hi, Warren. Ooh, I got $25 up there, y'all. Let's see if we can get it. Gotta land them, though. We down to our last. Oh, saved us. Oh, yes. Re-trigger back to 6. Nice. Yeah. I got $25 up there. I hope I can get it. Yeah. Hope I can get it. Oh, yes. So do I get 12 now? So it's only gonna give me 1? Aww. No, I don't need nothing else right now. What you get? Come on. I should have told her to bring me a water. Come on. Do it. Yes. Alright, last spin. Come on, save it. Give me, thank you. Kept me in the game, baby. Ooh, I only need one to get to the top. Give it to me. Come on. Anything, anywhere, get in there. Come on, keep it in. Huh? How do you not do sound? Did you mute it? It's right there on the right hand side. Come on. One. Anything. Come on. Yes. I got that $25 at the top. Hey. Got that $25. Woo. Come on, baby. Come on. Let's get some words, baby. Come on. All right. We'll take that. Did you get it? What you betting? What bet you on? I mean, what you betting? That's okay. I just got all this on 75 cents. It's coming. Be positive. Be positive. $53, y'all. Sorry, y'all. I'm here with Slotted, and she done got the bonus. So, all right, we're gonna do a backup. I got my ticket to $101. Last spin. All right, that is Buffalo Stampede.
It's Slots and Things.
Thanks for watching, guys. Give this video a thumbs up. Leave us a comment and subscribe if you aren't
It's Slots
subscribed
and
already.
Things.
Bye.
Mark and Nina.